How to force restart Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To force restart the Roblox application, firstly, head over to your Roblox, right click on it and tap on Run as Administrator. Select on Yes in the prompt displayed. By this way, it will force any of the update or changes that requires to launch a Roblox application for your device. If this method does not work, in the search bar, search for Task Manager. From here, at the very top, you should find the option of Roblox Game Client, which means your game is working just fine. Right-click on it and select on End Task. By this way, the background running of your Roblox will be ended. This is to do so to force any of the update or the removal of a bug or the glitch issue that persists on your device. Also, make sure to check for your Roblox server online and check for your Wi-Fi connection and current update of your Roblox app. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.